All right, today we're looking at this Asus Essentio refurbished desktop. This thing is awesome. Now, it is a refurbished model, so it might have you know, a few scratches here or there, but I'll tell you what, it is very impressive because it's an excellent deal. I can't say it enough. If you are a budding Photoshop guy, or maybe editing movies here and there, you need something that's affordable, or you just want a well-rounded PC, not for gaming per se, but you know, it could game. This is an awesome deal. I mean, it's really incredible. Now, first of all, let's talk a little bit about the specs. Now, it's built by Asus, so everything in here is Asus, which is really cool. The video card, the TV tuner, the motherboard, basically it's all Asus, the optical drives. That's a great thing because Asus is an awesome company. Now, the specs in here are an Intel Q8300 Core 2 Quad. It's a 2.5 gigahertz processor. It has 8 gigabytes of memory in here. That means that if you're going to be using Photoshop, especially the newest, latest and greatest CS5 that came out like yesterday, I think, it's going to be awesome for that because that's a native 64-bit application. That means that it can allocate much more memory than before. Before it was limited to somewhere around 2 to 3 gigabytes of system memory that it could allocate for just that program, and even that was stretching it because you're still running. You still need memory for other things, but native 64-bit applications can allocate as much memory as you have, so 8 gigabytes is going to be a huge difference. That means you can put huge images of video in Premiere or huge photos in Photoshop, and you know, basically make changes to them very quickly. When you do stuff in CS5 Premiere, you're going to get really fast rendering times, and that's what's really cool about having a computer that has 8 gigabytes of memory. Now, beyond that, still got a lot of good stuff. 750 gigabyte, 7200 RPM Seagate Barracuda hard drive. Very fast hard drive, lots of storage space. It's got an NVIDIA GT220 graphics card with 1 gigabyte of dedicated memory. That's not a gaming card per se, but it will let you do the majority of high-def stuff that you want to do, whether it be playing 1080p videos or even above 1080p, you know, playing multiple Blu-rays at the same time, multi-channel audio. It does all of that stuff. It has the Pure Video HD engine in it, so that gives you high bandwidth digital content protection, HDCP. A lot of really good stuff as far as that graphics card goes. Plus, it's got a TV tuner for the NTSC, or actually the ATSC, which is the digital over the air, as well as the Clear QAM. So you can use this as a media center. It comes preloaded with Windows Vista 64, so that's got media center in it already. If you want to use Boxy or something else to replace that, you can do that as well. Of course, you can save all your shows from the cable and just save them on your hard drive for future reference. So that's very cool. Now I'm going to take you for a quick tour of the computer, then I'm going to show you inside, and actually I'm going to show you tour, then the back, and then the inside. So let's go. I'm going to go ahead and unplug this thing, just so I don't kill myself. Now, first thing, right up at the top is your power button. Nice and hidden, but right up at the top is your power button if you want to turn it on. Also, if you open this up right here, lots of good stuff. CF card reader, SD, SDHC, XD, MMC, those are all going to work. There are 2 USB 2.0 ports, and then your input and output for your headsets and your microphones. Those are 3.5mm audio jacks. Below that is your DVD drive. It's a Super Multi RW. It's going to do every format. It's top notch as far as those go. You want to add an extra one, you can down here, no problem. Now I'll move you over to the back of this thing. Let me go ahead and flip this puppy around. First thing you'll notice is the power supply. As you move down, 120mm fan for exhaust. You have your PS2s for an old keyboard, 2 USB 2.0 ports. You have an PDIF right here for multi-channel audio. This does work. The HDMI, the DVI, and the VGA are not working because you have a dedicated graphics card, but they are there in case you want to pull it out. 4 more USB 2.0 ports bring the total to 6 on the back panel, plus 2 in the front, and there's a couple headers inside. 10110 Ethernet is right here, but you don't have to use this because this computer has a built-in 802.11 draft wireless module built into it, so very nice. And then finally, 7.1 channel HD audio right here. You don't need to worry about going crazy with an audio card because you've got 8 channels of audio right here. As you go a little bit lower, this is that TV tuner I was talking about. And then finally, the NVIDIA GT220, the 1 gigabyte of memory. It's going to give you a VGA, a DVI, and a HDMI to send this out to a big TV. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this little screw up here at the top and open this up. I just want to show you what's on the inside. It's nothing really super special, but I just want people to know what's on the inside of this thing. There we go. Go ahead and remove that. And it's cool to see that everything in here is Asus. Check it out. Asus motherboard, Asus graphics card, Asus TV tuner, Asus CPU cooler, Asus everything. Very, very nice. You got an Intel chip, Asus everything else, DVD drive, and a Seagate 802.11 Barracuda. Very, very nice 750 gigabyte hard drive. And there's more. How can I forget? If you're getting a computer for the first time, don't have a keyboard and mouse, don't worry about it. It comes with one. And if you look at this kind of close up, it's really cool. It's like a chiclet style keyboard from Asus. Very nice. You don't find this. Everyone gives you those same old classic keyboards. These are a little bit nicer. They're a chiclet style. Some people can type faster on these. I can for sure. And I like it. It's got you know, everything you'd expect from a nice little keyboard. And you also get a little mouse. No big deal, but it does have scrolling ability, and it is laser. So that's pretty cool. There you have it. It's the Asus Essentio desktop. This is a refurbished unit, 8 gigs of memory, quad-core processor, huge hard drive, graphics card, TV tuner card, multimedia card readers in the front. Super affordable price. I wish I could tell you how much this costs right now, but it's probably going to go even cheaper. I don't know. They don't let me. It's an incredible, incredible deal. You cannot go wrong with something like this right now. It's awesome. If you have any questions on it, feel free to email me. I'll see you guys next time. For more information on this refurbished Asus Essentio desktop PC, type in M975-10238 into any major search engine.